Morning, you guys. Something has returned in Benidorm. Yes, that is right, the sun is back. So we're gonna take a quick look at the beach, how people are doing over there. Well, the temperature is very comfortable with 16 degrees today. The wind is still present over here on Levante Beach, and I think that is also why probably more people will go towards the strip to get a drink over there. You've got all those buildings then in front of it, but you do have the sun, if I'm correct. So we're gonna check that out today. Over here on my left you can still see the presence of Storm Harry. What it has left, but this will dry up quite quickly. And it's not like we need this part of the beach right now. While I'm on my way towards the strip, I would greatly appreciate it if you all would hit that like button. It really does help putting the videos out there. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Only need like 70 more to reach 10,000. Can see the Flash Hotel already there in the distance. Look at how many people are already on the balconies. Not only on the balconies, also down there in the bar, soaking up that sun. It is still early, so there is a chance several spots could still be in the shade, like over there, that side of the bar. Seems like I'm quite early, not that many people are yet out here. I think most of them are going first for a walk on the beach. Music playing already here at Wild Duck. All those places getting restocked for a busy weekend coming up ahead. Lots of people are gonna arrive today and then get an extra Friday in there for making it a long weekend here in Benidorm. And they're in for a treat because temperatures are gonna rise up towards 18 degrees the upcoming days. Lots of sun and hopefully a bit less wind. We're lucky with those buildings around, as you can see over there on those flags, which are even in front of buildings. There's still some wind present. This weather is as well awesome to work in, like over here. The old gold dollar bar, the facade of the new Temple Bar is in place. At Broadway, no sign of life yet. Still on winter holiday. But over at the old Zodiac, renovation continues. Time to head back to the point where we started, Levante Beach. Just a 1-minute walk from the strip. Work is continuing on those light poles up here. Got the yellow flag out because it's still quite windy. But it's very crowded. And after a walk over here, most of them, I guess, are going towards the strip for a drink out of the wind in the sun. And in case you're wondering how hot it is, well, 16 degrees doesn't sound the best. But I'm wearing a jacket currently and I think it's a bit too much already. So that's a good thing, definitely for January. Lots of people are gathering over there. Oh, how awesome that they're doing that. And those people singing back there aren't the only ones that come out when the sun is shining. The P-men are out there, of course, as well. And then we're back again at the area where we started. Hope you all enjoyed the video of the complete walk we just did. Don't forget to hit like, do subscribe over here. Want to see how Storm Harry was the last few days? Click over here.